Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Chong. Well, today we are going to discuss the opportunity that you might actually lose. Yeah, you might actually lose the opportunity on your website if you didn't figure out how to fix a simple problem. You know, they always say, if you cannot identify 404 errors in your website, you have forever errors. Okay, that actually just me saying. Okay, well, put it this way, 404 is actually when someone trying to search for your website, okay, in terms of the web page or something, or when they're doing the website tour or navigations, they actually bump into an error that actually stop them from, getting their answer within your website, to find what they want. So that's the problem that you actually try to avoid, right? Because imagine someone actually walk into the convenience store, they can't find something and it's return error. Imagine that kind of things happen in your real life. Yeah, you don't want that. So it's the same thing that you don't want your user or your visitor at the website to bounce into this problem. So how to identify it today? So I'm going to show you two ways. Okay, one is the completely free way. Okay, the other one is a paid tools, but it's much more powerful than you can imagine and you can utilize for a certain extent, okay, rather than just identify 404 errors. So let's go. Yeah, you like the free part, right? Well, for those who actually saw the thumbnail or the poster in the social media, yes, we are talking about 404 today, okay? About a page that doesn't exceed or have been moved, okay? Sometimes as a webmaster yourself or as an agency, you might want to move a page away, right? To perhaps you just want to change a URL to something more pretty, or perhaps you actually really just delete a page, something like that. So what's your job right now is to make sure you can identify it and fix it a simple way. Okay, I'm going to show you two ways here. One is Google Search Console, another one is using the paid tools called SE ranking. Okay, so let's look at it first. Well, if you Google search Google Search Console, I'm not sure you get a joke or not. Okay, just Google Search Console. I'm sure you get around the answer in number one here. Okay, so you just click on it. Basically, Google Search Console is allows a webmaster like you, okay, agency, or perhaps you just having a website by yourself as a hobby. You want to improve your performance by identifying how's your site traffic in terms of search and fix the issues. Yeah, well, there are plenty of explanation here. You can just look at it. If you haven't integrated your website domain to Google Search Console, please go ahead. If you don't know how to search about it, if you don't know how to search Google Search Console, it's a joke. Okay, you can refer to the video description. Yeah, it's fine. So you can click start now and then you just follow the on-screen instruction. I'm not going to cover now today as well. So secondly, we're going to introduce this guy. It's called SE ranking. Well, SE ranking actually is dedicated, I would say, cloud-based SEO software for agency, for marketing team, as well as webmaster. Okay, it doesn't really means that you must be the so-called SEO guru or someone who really knows about website. I believe you can actually handle it well. Well, if you look at it, yeah, just click on it. It's about all-in-one SEO software. Blah 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 blah. Okay. I'm not going to introduce this guy. Okay, I'm just going to share with you directly how you're going to do it. So number one, let's look at Google Search Console. Okay, this is my real website. Okay, I know it's not performing well. It's not up to your expectation. It's fine. Yeah, this is actually I'm just leaving my website there. I'm not showing you the other website that I'm working on. I got plenty. Okay, sit down. Well, when you come to Google Search Console, there are plenty of stuff on your left hand side, which is the sidebar. Okay, if you look at the screen, let me zoom in more. Okay, it's too much here. Okay, so what you need to look at is not the overview, but it's actually more on pages. Yep. Click on the indexing here. Let me show you indexing. Okay, then look for pages. Okay, once you click on it, there's a page indexing, you know, telling you like how many page being indexed in, you know, Google or something like that. Then you can actually look at some overview here. Then you scroll down. Okay, scroll down further until the part that why pages are indexed. Okay, and the pages aren't indexed can't be served on Google. So if you scroll it down a little bit further, okay, today we are focusing on 404, right? Look at this error here. Okay, it stated that there's a 5 pages is not found. So if you click on it, then you actually scroll down, it will actually show you these are the pages that bump into the 404. Okay, so what you need to do next, that one is really up to you. You can inspect, you know, you can do stuff like that. It's really up to you. And then you can test again. Yeah, there are more ways, okay, to do stuff like this, and you can request indexing and so on. Okay, there are plenty. So this is a free way. Okay, you can do a lot. I will say up to here. Ooh, okay, this is my version. These are pages. So besides the not found 404, you might also want to look at soft 404. Click on it. Then you just scroll down. These are the example. Okay, the example that actually showing some of the pages that having some issues. Okay, so if you look at it, this probably something is weird. Somebody hijack or something. Yeah, you might thought about that. So once in a while, you can come here. You can always, you know, first detect it, then you can say done fixing and validate the fix, so that Google actually will remove all these errors from you. Well, this is just a free one, right? Okay, let's look at the more powerful tools. Okay, if you go to SE ranking, I presume that you already signed up your account. All you need to do is actually adding a new website. So let's say I'm going to add, well, for the demonstration purpose, I'm just going to demo. Okay, I'm not how do I put it, just for demo. So just demo od.com. Okay, so I'm going to disable this so that it won't trigger anything, and then I will click next. Ooh, okay, I'm sorry that I actually exceeded the plan. However, okay, you know, you want to add a project, is pretty straightforward. You just follow the on-screen general information, just type in the URL, then the keywords. It's really up to you what kind of keywords you want to track. Okay, it's fine. If you don't know anything, you can skip. Then search engine, you just search for Google. And you actually, yeah, it's very straightforward. Okay, you can actually just click next. Until Statistics and Analytics services, you need to integrate with your Google Analytics and Google Search Console so that they actually can crawl the real data for you. So let me show you what has happened after I added it. Okay, so this is my project, and then on the left hand side bar here, you can pretty much a lot of tools. Okay, I'm going to focusing on website audit today. Okay, website audit today. Yeah. So if you scroll down, okay, these are the things that you can look at it, but we are focusing on the 404, right? Very simple. You just look at the top issue, view all. Go to this page. I will filter by error. Then look for 404. Where is 404? Yeah, it's here. So this is the latest report that I crawl. If you can see, is, yeah, just March 15. Okay. So this is 404. So put it this way, you can click on it and then you can check on it, and then these are all the reports that you can find. It's cool, right? Pretty cool, exit. Well, you can also download the report. You know, you can also look at it carefully. What are the things that happen? You click on the pages, then you can see this guy. Then we were telling you the referring pages, whether it's in the sitemap or not, and then what's the status code, so you can actually fix it one by one. Okay, you might also want to look at the 3xx response code. Then from there, you can actually explore further what are the pages that are actually having this issue. That's pretty cool. It's pretty straightforward, right? Okay. Well, we've been talking about how to actually identify 404 and how to fix it. Okay, to fix it is actually very simple. Go back to the website, introduce certain redirections so that you know where does the actual URL come from. You can always update your sitemap afterwards, okay, through Google Search Console or perhaps some plugins if you are using WordPress. Well, if you want to learn more about that, put it in the comment box. I'm sure we'll actually create another tutorial. Today we are going to focusing, and I show you already how to identify it, the free way and the paid way, as well as how to simply fix it. Okay, in terms of very details, it might be case by case basis, but I'm more than happy to actually help you. Okay, put in the comment box if you have any questions. Okay, I hope you learned something today. If yes, please do me one big favor. Well, this really going to help me a lot. Okay, put a like on this video and then subscribe to my channel, as well as put a ring so they get notified the next time actually upload a similar video. Okay, I'm really appreciate so much everyone for joining me today. Okay, for watching this video, and thank you so much for sharing to your friends regarding this channel, since it's about simplify technology. And we're going to show you, I produce videos that actually about technology in terms of the walkthrough, the simple tutorial and stuff. So thank you so much everyone for the support and your time, and thank you again. Hope to see you again. My name is Chong, signing off. Technology Simplicity. See you and goodbye. Bye bye.